Hi. Welcome to PII Web Tech. Email marketing is a digital marketing strategy based on sending emails and developing relationships with prospects and customers. PII Web Tech's effective email marketing strategy converts prospects into customers and turns first-time buyers into recurring customers. One advantage of email marketing is that you can automate the entire process. Here are some services we provide for effective email marketing. First, we set up measurable goals. Then, we build a fully optimized email template from the scratch, as per client requirements. We comply with email regulations to stay out of the spam folder. Then we review, test, and send the email marketing campaign with an attractive subject lines. After that, we measure the results. Thanks for your time and for watching the video. If you are looking for a personalized email marketing strategy, please submit your inquiry, and one of our experts will speak to you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button for more updates.